How you doing? Good day. My name is Elvin Green. I'm sitting here with my new consumer, Mr. Marcus Teller, a 15-year-old who was removed from his home due to behavior of not really going to school, um, being suspended from school, and actually has a 14-year-old girlfriend who is presently 2 months pregnant. Um, So this is my consumer again, 50-year-old Marcus Teller, and we will begin the interview session. How you doing, Mr. Teller?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking.
Okay, appreciate you um, joining the Yes program. Again, as we discussed, the Yes program is a program for 12 to 18-year-old teenagers who, at the moment, need temporary shelter, and we are here to assist and help. Um, you with any weaknesses that you are dealing with right now to help turn into strengths. And we are also here to provide any support and assistance needed as it relates to possibly getting you and your family back together or finding permanent placement for you. Does that sound okay?
That sounds good.
How's it been the last few days here since you've been part of the program?
I've been good here. A lot of people been reaching out to me, just giving me helpful words of advice, encouragement. So it's been cool, something different from what I'm kind of used to.
Okay, all right. How are the team? I know you. Have you ever been in an organization or a program like this where you have different males and females on the same different floors but different sections of the building?
I never been in one myself, but I know a lot of people, like friends or family, that been in situations, and some stories was good, some was bad. But I'm my own person. I kind of make things to be what it is for me. So,
Okay.
but I am familiar with it. I've just never been part of it myself.
Okay, that sounds good. All right. How has staff been treating you well?
Yeah, for most, like I say, most part staff they don't look at me to be a problem. They just kind of treat me as me so far. I like that.
Okay. All right. So, just wanted to share a few things. I know you see a lot of things that's going on here with the teens and how they operate, how they behave, how they communicate with certain staff members. Just understand, we are here for you. You have any way, any way that you are expressing yourself, there's nothing that we won't accept besides, of course, physical violence. But as far as like verbal, how you communicate yourself verbally, I know you see how teens around here curse at the adults, things like that. Of course, we would like for teens to be respectful to each other. But however you get out your expression is however you have to thus far. So things that we are looking for is just basically respect one another, respect staff, respect the teams, your peers actually, and everything should be okay. Sounds good.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, so what's going on with school, man? You want to feel like talking to me about school and how come haven't been attending or getting suspended? What's going on?
Like, I know school is important.
Mm-hmm.
And I know I'm young, so I know I needed to kind of be successful in life. But it's like I got other stuff going on, and I gotta kind of take responsibility for like I said, I got a girlfriend.
Mm-hmm.
She's 2 months pregnant. Kind of irresponsible, but a lot of it is my mom worked a lot, so I just kind of got a lot of time to do certain things and just trying to be responsible, but trying to do everything, but I know I can't right now. So it's kind of hard. So sometimes when I'm out of school, it's not because I'm not don't want to go. It's because I'm trying to figure out what I got to do as far as my situation with my girlfriend and my kid possibly.
So I guess would it be safe to say that it's just you and moms in the home?
It's always been like that, and mom, she always working. And that's not I'm not saying it like a bad thing, but she always work and kind of give me the things that I need, but she's not like there to kind of guide me through certain things. So some of the stuff I kind of like learn on my own, or through other kids, or like I guess old heads that kind of look out. They're not always doing the right thing, but try to keep you doing the right thing. So.
Right.
just got a lot of advice because there's not a lot of like guys. I don't have any older brothers to talk to, so it's like I just kind of figure out things on my own. So I'm just trying to put too much pressure on mom. So trying to be responsible the best way I can for my age. There's not a lot that I can do.
Right. So let me ask you then. Let me ask you this question. So in your assessment of why you ended up here and the need to require placement, what do you think led mom to asking you or removing you from the home and having you end up here?
If I had to say it, is probably, because I'm not going to school and she's like kind of, I don't know, I guess old school parents where, do as I say and do when I say it, do what I say when I say it type of thing. And I respect my moms, but again, it's like I'm trying to, do my own thing and I, kind of put myself in a situation where I gotta, think about more than just school. And
does that mean when you say put yourself in a situation where you got to think about more school that relates to the current possibility of being a father?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I know, like I say, I know moms, however I can do it to make it easier for her, because I know the situation is not easy because now she's working all the time. She's, now I got a situation, I'm not going to school, and that could kind of fall on her. And I don't want, nothing to happen to her. But I know her helping me would be, it would be hard. Make things harder than it already is.
So were you always the type that when it came to school you never went, or did that begin when you found out that you could possibly be a father?
It came more when I found out I could be a father, but I think it was just, a couple of influences to do certain things, and then it was like, dang, I got time to do this, and and I felt like, all right, we ain't really doing that. Because not making excuse for school, but sometimes class, you don't really get everything you need because the teachers, some teachers don't know how to reach everybody, or they just already got you, this is that kid, so, they don't really do no more than just what they need to.
Right.
And, so
that's in essence, other than you doing something illegal, that's the only proper way for us to be able to take care of, for you in this situation to be able to take care of your newborn and yourself and possibly the mother of your child. Without that education piece, you're only left with, and you sound like a good kid, so I know you're going to do whatever you need to do to support your child and the mother of your child. So I know that will only lead you to doing something illegal. So what are your thoughts on that?
And so, like, I want a regular job. I want more than kind of what McDonald's and Wendy's and those type of stores are paying, because it kind of help me be able to do what I really need to do without asking for help and putting people in situations. So I don't know, somewhere along the line I just developed this, I don't know, I guess this pride thing just started taking over, where I'm just going to do it, and I'm not going to kind of ask nobody else for help.
Okay.
And so just trying to figure out how to do that in a way where it's, conducive for me and not putting my family or loved ones in situations. And so I'm just kind of confused right now. So I do have friends that, they sell weed and stuff like that. And I'd be lying to say
which is temporary money.
Right. And so I'm not a person that's like out of school every day doing it.
Yes.
But if it's, I don't know, if it's certain things that I think I need real quick, or, things that I don't want to ask my mom to do, because she already got money going toward the bills, or she already gave me money that, whatever. I might, and so those are some of the times that I might not be in school because I'm, doing something along those lines.
Okay. So, my next question would be, how does your mother feel about possibly becoming a grandmother?
night.
Good time.